Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Squad Busters with a controller. First, connect your chosen controller to your mobile device using Bluetooth. Make sure your device's operating system is fully updated for the best connection. Once connected, launch Squad Busters and head straight into the game's settings. You will then need to locate the specific controller or input options to begin configuring your setup. This initial step is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once your controller is connected, understanding the default layout is key. Generally, the left joystick will handle all your character's movement across the map. For aiming and attacking, you will often use the right joystick or the main face buttons. Special abilities and item activation are commonly assigned to the shoulder buttons, like L1 or R1. Take some time to experiment with these default settings to see what feels most natural for you. To truly optimize your gameplay, dive into the customization options. You can fine-tune the controller sensitivity to perfectly match your personal playstyle, whether you prefer quick or precise movements. Feel free to remap any buttons for actions, such as dashing or activating your super abilities, ensuring maximum comfort. Always remember to save your custom control profile so it is readily available for every future gaming session. Advanced players might even consider a controller with programmable back paddles. For an even greater edge, practice regularly in the training grounds to develop strong muscle memory for movement and aiming. Consider mapping quick chat commands to specific buttons for seamless team communication during matches. Always ensure your controller is fully charged before starting a game to prevent any unexpected interruptions. Finally, remember that a stable and fast internet connection is absolutely crucial for responsive controller input and a lag-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.